Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Pulse. Today, we have an exciting preview of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you're a fan of foldable phones or just curious about the latest tech trends, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the design and build. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 continues Samsung's tradition of sleek and innovative design. This model features a refined hinge mechanism, making the fold even smoother and more durable. The phone comes in a variety of stunning colors, including Mystic Bronze, Phantom Black, and the new Cloud Lavender. The compact form factor makes it easy to carry around, and when unfolded, it transforms into a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The display on the Z Flip 6 is a showstopper. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, it offers vibrant colors and smooth animations, perfect for gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your social media feeds. The external 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover screen is also larger this time, providing more functionality without having to open the phone. You can check notifications, control music, and even take selfies with the rear camera. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring top-notch performance for all your apps and multitasking needs. It comes with 8GB of RAM and offers storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. Camera. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on the Z Flip 6. It features a dual rear camera system with a 50MP wide and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and detailed close-ups. The 10MP front camera ensures your selfies are always on point. Plus, the Flex mode allows for hands-free shooting and unique angles. Battery and charging. Battery life is always a concern with foldable phones, but Samsung has made sure the Z Flip 6 can keep up with your daily demands. It boasts a 4000 mAh battery with support for 25W fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. You can easily get through a day of moderate use, and when you need a quick boost, fast charging. Software and features. On the software front, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 runs on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. It comes with all the features you love, like split-screen multitasking, enhanced privacy settings, and seamless integration with Samsung's ecosystem. The Flex mode also brings unique functionalities to various apps, making multitasking a breeze. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, innovative, and powerful foldable phone, the Z Flip 6 is definitely worth considering. It combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, offering a unique user experience. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and if you plan on getting one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.